2025, the grand final. We are live for closing, so we'll be announcing results next break here, and we will also see all of our contestants in the swimsuit competition. See you soon. 2025. Now for this spectacular evening here, we'd like to thank some of our lovely sponsors, starting with MGI. Thank you to Lineman, TQM, Nangam Brand, Hayabusa Serum, and Vipsy Bioface Serum. Grand USA! And ladies and gentlemen, the final contestant into our top 20. Next into our top 10 is Miss Grand Guatemala. Five down, 5 to go, guys. Next contestant into our top 10 is Miss Grand Thailand. Congratulations to Miss Grand Philippines! Next into the top 10 is Miss Grand Tanzania! Two slots left in our top 10. Next in is Miss Grand Ghana! One spot left in this year's top 10. Who's it gonna be? Final contestant is Miss Grand Spain! Congratulations to our top 10 of Miss Grand International 2025! Thank you so much to all of the other ladies on stage here also. You've had fantastic performances here. And a truly spectacular night. We do have at the front of the stage our top 10 who will be seeing more of this evening. The various rounds. Looking forward to seeing more of them. And finally finding out who will be crowned Miss Grand International 2025 later on this evening. Thank you so much. And next up, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you some of our sponsors here. Please welcome to the stage, Mr. Sume Supanimit Sombat, Director of Brand and Marketing Communication, Lineman Wong Nai. Please welcome to Mr. Ponsak Sutratruk, Vice President of Marketing, TQM. Welcome to Mr. Pasakon Wayawanna, Corporate Image Consultant, Hayabusa Serum and Vipsy Bioface Serum. Please welcome Dr. Wang Dongjong, Chief Director of Nana Plastic Surgery Hospital from South Korea. Please welcome Miss Sabrina Hofstetter, General Manager of Intercontinental Hua Hin Resort. Welcome welcome to Mr. Tassanai Kotong, CEO, Mochi Mongkondong. Please welcome to Ms. Hacharapon Chandra Pradik, CEO of PIN. Welcome to Mr. Jojo Bragais, President and CEO of Jojo Bragais Shoes. Welcome to Ms. Rasarin Malinwarapat, Marketing Manager. Mexico.
Oh my god. I feel excited and a lot of pressure. There is a lot of drama that's going to happen. And in the grand style, I say bring it on. Oh my god.
Would you advise us to go to India to cover this Grand International? I've never been.
I think you can come. I think these muscles will save you. I like that.
While evacuating, avoid panic or running, as this could lead to injury. By following these simple steps, you can ensure a safe evacuation from the building in the event.
Mami Teresa Namanrihigradigat and Miss Teresa Chavez for this memorable photo with all the runner-up of Miss Grand International 2024.
Babalik tayo next month sa We also have Dina. Hot mom with us. Yung pipiniso.
This is Donna's first placement at Miss Grand International. So I'm not only just doing this for myself, I'm doing this for Donna and all of Africa. So for everyone to be so supportive of me and to cheer me on, you have no idea how much it means for me. You have no idea how much it means for my country. It means so much for Donna. I'm just so grateful.
Every moment counts. Miss International. Nanalo ko yun. Oh my God, guys. Nanalo daw Miss International. Sophia Philippines. She also won. Let's celebrate. Another win.
Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I'm also so grateful to win the Grand Town. That was one of my biggest goals. And the second Grand Town for Ghana. Yes, Ghana won Grand Town of the 2023 as well. So I'm really happy to be able to continue that legacy, continue performing, and so grateful to Miss Brand for giving me the platform. Again, not only to speak and represent my country, but also to sing and share my voice and my talent.
Puwang, Philippines, is actually back-to-back win. First ever, this is the first ever back-to-back wins for MG. Probably not.
I'm so honored and I look up to you. Birthday. I have no words to say thank you for that. You haven't spoken. I spoke quite well.
Kasi pinag-burger.
ดีมีความสุขครับแล้วก็รู้สึกแบบดีใจที่จะชมในวันนี้ครับ
Para magkaroon na ng energy, lahat ng group mag-comment ulit ng
Like tonight?
comment section.
Like tonight, they call me. I would say
Kailangan ko ng
tonight.
energy. Huwag na nga sa'yo, lahat ng picture.
Every day we have different shows. And every day, I mean, you can expect it to be better, but I think we watch and I'm so honored to be part of this family. I feel like every single time, you guys like treat us so well. And yeah, like seriously, especially the production and the kindness of people, how they treated us, everything was great. Thank you so much.
อยากจะไปแบบผู้หมวดตั้งหลักเลยในเรื่องของเรื่องชาติในแต่ละที่เป็นที่เกิดขึ้นคนเรื่องของมากแล้วก็ดีใจที่เป็นการที่จะช่วย
I think out the
What really applies in just less than 24 hours. Wow. We go to Dubai and work all that each other. So thank you so much. All my family, my team, those leaders that we saw during the Miss Grand International wouldn't be possible without my team. Thank you very much. All the Filipino design workers, every day I dresses and change because I really want to showcase how great we
mag-ingat kayo
Yeah, because remember what happened in the past. So, is this a way of the Indian organization to, make amends about it?
No, I don't think it's about making amends. I think what really happened is, unfortunately, for the longest period of time,
Top 10 Top 10 MGI 2025 Top 10 เดี๋ยวทีมงานนะครับพาน้อง Top 10 มาหน่อยครับ ทีมงานพาน้อง Top 10 มาหน่อยครับ
Well, good luck to you next year ulit. Nasa Olympics, di ba?
Oo, totoo.
So, that's
Nanginginig na ako kanina eh, grabe.
Masaya siguro. I hope the Philippines are celebrating the victory of Emma.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be this back-to-back. It's the first time
Okay,
it happened.
next trip runner-up,
Thank you to all of you.
Mexico.
And let's celebrate when we
National
get back to
Dragon
the Philippines.
Mexico.
At saka nakakatawa LV kasi yung flag na inabot ko kay Emma, kay Catriona,
Okay, so please up on the stage,
lagi kong dalang sa
National
pageant
Team
yun,
of
may dalang
Mexico.
swerte yun. Naman, o diba, ang Queen Maker talaga naman, hinakot na ni ALV. Sa ALV rin ang nag-iisang talaga, title holder dito.
Sir Arnold, may date na ba yung homecoming parade?
Pag-usapan namin siguro mamaya, but definitely we don't know yet her schedule. I know pareho silang may iwan din si CJ and Emma will stay muna dito sa Thailand. Siguro when they get back, both of them deserve a recognition. It's a back-to-back, so it's the first time it happened. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Without the help of the pageant media, hindi naman tayo
Thank you,
makukuha
Mexico.
natin ng 10 million
And
votes na yan.
Guatemala.
Kaya
Guatemala.
maraming salamat sa inyo, sa ating mga kababayan at saka sa pageant media. Sana continue supporting the ALB Pageant Circle so that we are more inspired, to produce a very good production and to discover more a beautiful Filipina that we can, showcase to the world.
Ang lakas mo kasi sa amin, ALV eh. Hindi ka namin mahindian.
Sir, ano pong secret?
Thank you. And next, National Dragon
Hard work.
Colombia.
You have to study.
Colombia.
You have to support the Queen. And kailangan importante.
National Line of
And choose the
Colombia.
best. Kunin mo yung the best. Huwag kang magpadala sa ibang tao. Dapat kunin mo yung ano ang instinct mo. You have to follow. And of course, the most important is the totality ng Queen. Yung number one is the attitude. It is willing to work. Willing to, it's not easy to be, to produce para mag-join sa competition. Para din yan kay Manny Pacquiao na boxing, na parang din yan basketball. Mas worse pa nga ito kasi ginagamitan to ng utak.
Thank you.
Diba?
And
This is a
National
reality
Dragon
show.
Czech
This is also
Republic.
sports.
Czech
But
Republic.
in the beauty and intelligence and
Czech Republic.
totality. At saka maganda rin dito na promote ang country natin, di ba, na promote ang tourism industry natin. Na sana madala ko ang Miss Grand sa 2028 dahil yun nung aming pinag-usapan sa 2028 dahil sila 26 will be in India, 27 meron ng ibang country, 2028 na isa ako sa mga nakapila sa 2028. And I hope yung award sa Philippines para ma-promote din naman natin ang Philippines. Very successful ang Miss Grand, napakalaking organization na rin to at napapanood ko
And
sa
last but not least,
ALV,
Tanzania.
nabanggit ko na yun sa
Tanzania.
YouTube,
And
yung
National Dragon of
2028. Kasi yung mga
Tanzania.
nasa sasakyan kami ng mga media so bali binanggit nila yan. So yung Philippines nga daw, pero sabi ko I don't know yet. Kasi wala pang confirmation. Ayun. Well, congratulations ALV.
Thank you sa support nyo. Magkita tayo sa Pilipinas dahil magkakaroon tayo ng malaking celebration.
Ay! Kailan niya? Ang layo ko LV sa Australia pa.
Punta ka ng Philippines.
Sa
Okay.
sa MGPH na lang. Thank you ALV.
okay.
Thailand!
Mexico.
Thailand! กดแสดงเก่งมาก
Okay. All done. Okay. Talita, you want to stay up there? Your friend is down here.
Performance niya rin dito. Maganda rin naman ang relationship niya with people from iyakan niya yun. So medyo sumama ang loob niya na nababash
Pero
siya.
hindi niya
I think
pinapakita.
she did her best, pero may basher pa rin. But sabi ko nga, you cannot please everyone. Maybe siguro perfectionist talaga mga Pilipino. And kasi yung mga foreign are appreciated of what she did. And, pero siyempre, hindi umaalis yun. Pero sabi niya naman niya na ilalaban niya. Ipaglalaban niya yung para ngayon ng gabi. Kaya tingnan natin. And you will see ang beautiful gown na susutin niya. That will be a good, that will be a revelation.
Similar ba yan sa suit mo, ALP? Sino ba kasi yung designer?
Wag na.
Any color na lang, sir.
Ano na?
Color.
Any color?
Wala sa ini-expect yung color.
Mga bakla kayo. Follow
Ano
the
ba
leader.
in-expect namin?
Wala yung usual color. The usual color. So it's better na mas surprise kayo ba?
Aside from the Philippines, of course, Emma Tiglao, sino favorite mo? Aside from the Philippines, of course.
I like Thailand. Thailand also. Maganda rin yung performance ng Thailand. And it's a good friend of Emma.
Roommate.
And then Thailand also never had payata ng Miss Grand. I like also, nakita ko, para maiba yung Ghana.
Dana, yeah.
Ayun, tanungin mo nung kulay nung gown, sasagot yan. si Shandy.
Shandy, yan daw color ng gown. So, fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Ano, kakulay ng putas? Ano ba yun natin?
Fruit salad.
So ALV, ay ganun. So, can you give us, di ba nagkaroon kayo ng meeting last night? So, can you give us some chika-chika about that? So, ano yung mga pag-usapan?
It's more on words of wisdom. At saka syempre yung pinag-usapan yung execution ng bawat niya, yung mga possible question and answer na may tanong sa kanya. So, nag-collaborate kami sa mga possible questions ng current issues now, especially what's happening sa Pilipinas. Baka magtanong sila. And then, marami. Pinarelax namin, pinakain siya. Cheeseburger. At saka masaya siya kasi. Sobrang high spirit siya kagabi. At gusto niya nila iba daw yung nararamdaman niya. Masaya siya. So maybe siguro positive.
So ALV, totoo ba yung
lahat ng ikaw nagka-congratulate sa akin ng national directors. They're happy about Emma. Nasa top 5 palagi. I think it's a good sign that even the national directors and some of them, most of the Asians pa nga, lahat ng Asians, national directors, they told me na we are happy if Emma will win. Kahit ano nila, kasi it's Asia pa rin. And even though your candidates nila, they always say that Emma is in their top place nila. So, nakakatawa ng puso. The Latinos, the Latin American countries, maganda rin yung sinasabi. You were there. Ganda yung ano sa atin. At saka syempre, they like CJ. They love CJ. Sana daw nga na si Emma parang si CJ. I think si CJ nagbigay ng big impact na nakilala ang Pilipinas sa Miss Grand. And I'm happy also that na-appreciate nila yung, pinapanood pala nila yung lahat ng ginagawa ko, yung staging ko, pinapanood nila national directors that they really congratulated me, na sana daw maging ganun daw sila, paano ko raw nagagawa yun, paano Philippines kasi nagiging role model yung Philippines when it comes to staging, standard. Saka yung quality of girls na
Sumasabi.
So I have invitations to be the judges ng iba't ibang country. Pero lalayo naman.
Padala mo si Francis, padala mo kami. Kami ang proximo.
Siyempre, kung nakapwede.
Wait, ALV, speaking, since you're talking about your pageant, can you give us a glimpse of your future Miss Grand Philippines for next year? What's your plan?
Miss Grand, I think that would be on March 10 next year. Para mauna muna, March or April.
March?
We want to do it na summer. Kasi ayoko na mangyari yung tagulan.
Oo.
Tagulan eh. Nare-risket kami because of so many calamities. But Miss World will definitely remove it in January 8.
January
8. Because dapat supposed to be November. Parang ang pangit naman na ang daming calamities, ang daming pageant, ang daming international pageant, ang daming tapos magsi-celebrate ako, gagawa ko ng big event.
Ay, kailan yan? Pwede pang umatin.
Hindi, yung November 30 kasi, di ba, ang daming nangyayari.
Ganap.
Mga calamities sa atin, parang hindi ito maayos. Kaya maglagay tayo, mag-stage tayo na malaking event. And at the same time, parang hindi ko rin gusto dahil ang daming international events also. And we decided to move it na lang on January 8. Solo namin yung month na yan. We can make it bigger and better Miss World Philippines.
Gaano ka sure, sir, ang ALV March for Miss Grand? Tama ba?
March or April yun.
March or April.
Bakit hindi ba maganda yung month na yun?
Hindi naman. Kasi usually July or September.
Normally, July kailan tagulan.
July maulan siya.
Di ba lagi nare-risket kami because may flood. May
bagyo.
May bagyo, malaki may typhoon.
Pero sana nga, March or April.
Kaya nga, I want to do it summer na lang para less ang calamities. Okay? At everyone happy at the other provinces can watch. Yun ang nangyayari, hindi nakakapunta. Yung mga nasa iba't bus kung dumadating yung mga yan. Nung panahon na yun, the last one, it's talagang nasa gitna tayo ng typhoon. So, hindi nakalipad, hindi nakaalis yung ibang from the fans from different provinces.
Tsaka parang in case sa Boracay yung Simpson competition, hindi masyadong maulan.
Sir, with only 1 hour left, bago tayo magsipasukan sa loob, as a national director, and knowing what you know now na hindi namin alam, nararamdaman mo talaga, naaamoy mo na from afar, from where you're standing here, ang back-to-back win.
Back to back!
Dapat i-claim natin, i-manifest natin yun. Diba? Diba? Kailangan kong i-manifest at i-claim na mangyayari, para mangyari. Kaya kayo, i-claim nyo rin na para maging strong yung di ba? Yung energy.
At pag nag-back to back,
May
Ay, naku, pag
pakain.
nagback-to-back, magpapangalalaki talaga.
Ay, sinabi mo na.
mapapakain of course.
Magpapakain tayo.
Nabasa ko lang sa
Malaking celebration sa Pilipinas.
Oo, bonggang homecoming.
Ay, ALD, kung halimbawa mag-back-to-back pa, magpapa-homecoming ka na sa EDSA. Ang sabi daw nila gusto sa EDSA.
I'm sure magpapalit tayo sa EDSA.
Oo, yung traditional route, yung Ayala, Rojas Boulevard.
Huwag lang ulanin.
Mukhang bulldozer na yung...
Yun.
So any message for Emma Tiglao bago siya lumaban?
And the Filipino fans.
And the Filipino
Of
fans.
course, to Emma, I was like say what I said last night na just do your best. Huwag kang ma-pressure. We believe in you. I have so much trust and confidence sa iyo dahil nandyan yung pag napasok ka sa top 5, sabi ko nga, wala na, the only contribution that we can give is just prayers. Dahil ikaw na yan, laban mo na yan. Kaya just do your best and we'll give it to, if it's our destiny, if the Lord will give us the crown again, we have to be thankful.
God will do the rest.
God will do the rest. And to all the Filipino fans in the pageant industry and to all the media who are here, wow, talagang
Of course!
Support!
Diba, nandito lahat tayo sa Thailand.
Maraming salamat sa support nyo at lalo lumalaki ang pageant industry. Palakihin natin dahil itong industry na makakatulong sa Pilipinas at mapromote natin ang ganda ng Pilipina at ang ganda ng ating country. Kung ang country natin ay maraming problema, magbigay tayo ng positive na news naman. Diba? This time, at least ito, sa pageant industry, walang corruption.
Yes!
But we're helping, the pageant industry will help to boost the tourism industry of the Philippines, which is, I'm the one talagang, iyan ang aking plataforma na i-promote ang tourism industry. Look what na-experience yun naman you are in Thailand. Nandito kayo. So how they're promoting their tourism industry through pageantry. Pageantry kasi is the cheapest form of not to promote. Yan ang pinaka-cheapest platform to promote your tourism ng bawat country. Vietnam is doing well. So, namin nila. Sana magising din ang ating bansa, ang ating gobyerno na bigyan ng pansin ang tourism, ang pageant industry ng isang malaking katulungan din to.
Any chance na of course, na dalhin mo yung Miss Grand International sa Philippines?
We talk about it actually. We already talked. We had a meeting yesterday. So many things will happen, but I cannot muna divulge dahil marami rin baka maipit ako sa situation. Basta magaganda naman yung mga pinagditingan namin kahapon.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. And
Thank you so much. We have to go inside now.
Yes, thank you for back to back and no.
Mag-ingat kayo dyan. Inspired by iPhone 17. Pero